Bro, how did EPZ do this? How did they take an already nice IEM like the Q1 Pro and make it even better for a marginal price increase? This is their newest Q5 Pro. It's a successor to the Q1 Pro. They've basically taken the foundation of this IEM and have improved it, particularly with the sound and build materials. You can straight away notice that the Q5 Pro is a smaller IEM than the Q1 Pro, so this should be more comfortable for people with smaller ears. The material is still plastic on the outside, but the design is pretty unique this time. It's a departure from the colorful resin finishes we saw last time. I like the Q1 Pro, but I think this looks a bit more minimal for people who want a subtler appearance. And sound-wise, there are some distinct changes. The Q5 Pro has a much stronger mid-bass and sub-bass compared to the Q1 Pro. Also, the top end is less extended compared to the Q1 Pro, but it's still bright and detailed. It's not as bright as the Q1 Pro though. Comparatively, it's a bit more balanced, which I think some people would appreciate. Even though the Q1 Pro has better upper mids, they have somehow managed to make the Q5 Pro sound better for the vocals. It's likely because of the better top-end implementation. Now the Q1 Pro isn't bad. I've recommended that to so many people and I still do. It's a great IEM in this price. But the Q5 Pro comparatively is better, especially when you pair this with a decent DAC. The Q5 Pro's better sound might also be because of the higher quality materials, like it uses aluminum acoustic filters and all that. Now I'm no audio expert who can tell you the technical intricacies of each component. I'm just telling you what I've heard from a realistic testing. So overall, if you want a more balanced sounding IEM with a wider soundstage and good bass, get the Q5 Pro. But if you enjoy the higher brightness of the upper mids and treble, get the Q1 Pro. It's still very good. The price difference isn't that much. And on that note, I'll actually give away this Q1 Pro to you. In case you have never used an IEM in this price range, this will be an amazing start. Like I said, it's not bad. The Q5 Pro is a newer upgrade. Of course, newer tech will be better. The difference isn't day and night, it's just one step ahead, that's it. And since I like it so much, to give it justice, I'll also pair an Audiocular D10 dongle with this thing. That'll make this a really good mobile setup for you to get started. This will sound better than any generic earphone you've heard. So if you want this, leave your contact info on your YouTube profile and tell me in the comments what exactly do you use right now and how will this help you. I'll pick a winner in 1 week and contact you directly. On the other hand, if you're more interested in the Q5 Pro, I'll link this down below.